everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix right or left AirPod not working properly. So let's get started. First, look for any visible debris or buildup in the speaker mesh and around the ear tip. Clean it gently using a soft dry cloth or a small brush. Avoid using liquids or pushing debris further into the AirPod. After that, restart or reset the AirPods. Place both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait for about 30 seconds, then open the lid, remove the AirPods and try using them again. If restarting does not work, you may need to reset the AirPods. Place both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. After resetting, set up your AirPods again with the device. Then also make sure that your AirPods are connected properly to your device. Open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad and go to the Bluetooth and check if your iPods are listed and connected. If there are issues with connectivity, forget the AirPods from your device's Bluetooth settings and then reconnect them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.